Hello week from November 25th to December 1st. This week we will finish a cycle what means a little for trouble than usual. Every time we have an entrance or an exit, things shake a little more. This is usual and you don't need to be afraid, just more careful. What will happen is that the universe is asking us to learn how to make positive changes and make positive choices for the next cycle. So it will purge everything that needs to be shifted as a final impulse this week. Pay attention in your moves and make sure they come from a good place. If you are not certain, the best choice is to wait until you know in your here what's is best for you and everyone around you. Remind, a good choice is only good if it's good for everyone. Is it's not, it's a denial, and the bounty will not be pleased. On the next cycle, we will be invited to take action, so it is possible that you feel like acting already, which is okay if you are certain, but if it's not, work on things so you can be more positive. Is the way to go. Pay attention in the words of your choice this week and even in your thoughts. The work to take care and restrict egoistic actions will pay out soon. Let's now hear our dear astrologer Waldemar Falcao with the sky forecast for this week. Hello there.
This Monday, the triangulation between the Sun in Sagittarius and Mars in Leo remains firm for a few more days. The Moon, although in a sensitive position because of the opposition with Neptune, also maintains the triangulation with Pluto and Uranus, so the emotional field is also in a healthy configuration. The mental and communication area is still unstable because of the opposition between Mercury and Jupiter and the quadrature of Mercury with Neptune. On Tuesday, the Moon dawns at the 11th grade of Libra and starting a beautiful trigon aspect with Jupiter and sextile with Mars. The Moon will be in square with Venus all day long. The opposition between Mercury and Jupiter also remains firm. On Wednesday, the Moon still maintains the triangulation with Jupiter and the squaring with Venus. The recommendation of caution in communication is also valid because of the Mercury-Jupiter opposition that also remains firm. This Thursday, the Moon dawns in the 4th degree of Scorpio, and with that forms a quadrature with the explosive opposition between Mars and Pluto. On Friday, the Moon reaches the middle of Scorpio and begins a triangulation with Saturn in Pisces. From the end of the afternoon, this same Moon begins an opposition to Uranus, which reaches the exact degree at night, but the triangulation that the Moon forms with Neptune can be of help for this. Let's cultivate empathy and sensitivity. On Saturday, the Moon dawns in the last degrees of Scorpio and still in trigon with Neptune until the end of the afternoon, even with the change of the Moon to Sagittarius. The opposition between Mercury and Jupiter still reigns in the heavens. Sunday is Sagittarius's new moon day, and this enthusiasm receives in more impulse because of the triangulation with Mars in Leo, and even because of the opposition to Jupiter, ruler of the sign. See you next week.